Hi students, today we are going to learn the experiment observation of onion peel cells. Onion is an underground modified stem. Onion cells or plant cells. In this there is a presence of cell wall, there is a large central vacuole and peripheral nucleus. Aim to prepare temporary mount of onion peel cell. Apparatus: onion, glycerin, saffron in solution, dropper, forceps, water, cover slip, glass slides, needle and brush, watch glass, blotting paper and microscope. To conduct this experiment, we need to follow the procedure. At first, we have to take an onion. Now cut the onion leaf with the help of a sharp blade like this. And remove the leaf peel with the help of forceps. Now from this peel, we have to take out the onion peel. With the help of forceps. Now, the onion peel is placed on glass slide. Now put a drop of water on the onion peel. The stain with saffron in. The saffronin absorbs by the plant cells, cytoplasm. Cover the onion peel with cover slip. The extra stain, we keep the blotting paper on the edges of the cover slip. By doing like this, then extra stain will be removed. Now the section is ready. Then place this onion peel section under the microscope. Now place the slide under the microscope on the stage of the microscope and hold this slide with clips. Now children, what do you observe under the microscope? Yes, in this onion peel, the cells are regularly packed with a definite cell wall. Under the cell wall or below the cell wall, there was a presence of plasma membrane and there is a large central vacuole, and in this prominent nucleus, the nucleus it pushes in one side. The nucleus pushes in one side due to the presence of large central vacuole and very pale color of cytoplasm. Children, finally, by conducting this experiment, we concluded that in onion peel, there was a large central vacuole and the nucleus pushes in one side. There was a presence of prominent cell wall. The presence of cell wall is the characteristic feature of plant cell. The precautions we have to take: While conduct the experiment, stain of the peel should neither be too dark nor too light. Extra glycerin stain should be removed using blotting paper. There should not be air bubbles under the cover slip. Children, I evaluate 2 or 3 questions. So now ready to answer. How are the cells in an onion peel arranged? Anyone? Guess the answer for this question? The cells in an onion peel are arranged side by side with a prominent nucleus. Are all the cells in an onion similar? Yes, please. Give the answer for this question. Yes. All the cells in an onion peel appear to be similar under the microscope.